How many times have you asked AI to audit your resume, or review your investment portfolio, or check your code, your pitch deck, your business plan? We do this every day, even more than we realize, thinking, I gave it the right context, the right instructions, the right guardrails, so whatever it tells me back must be solid, right? And because of that, we skip the second guessing. We don't pause to validate the answer, think about it logically. We just trust it and move on. Here's the uncomfortable part. We are building our castles on a foundation that was designed to flatter us, not to correct us. Hi everyone, I'm Ishika and welcome to episode number 2 of AI Explained Like You Have 5. In today's episode, we are going to talk about a behavior that we often see with AI tools but seldom recognize. Sycophancy. In episode number 1, we studied how LLMs are deep learning neural networks that were trained on massive amounts of text to understand and generate human-like language. But that raises an interesting question. If AI is so smart, then why does it sometimes agree with everything I say, instead of actually brainstorming with me? Have you experienced any such scenario? The answer lies in how LLMs are built to behave and improve. Here's the thing. When an AI finishes its primary training, which is also known as pre-training, it acts like a superpower autocomplete. It doesn't understand the truth, safety, or helpfulness yet. It only understands the statistical probability. Then how does it know that it's a helpful assistant who is designed to answer human questions? That's where RLHF comes into action. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. RLHF trains the model to understand the intent behind human prompts and to refuse the harmful request. It's one of the key ways that AI learns to behave. And here's how it actually works. You might have observed the thumbs up, thumbs down, or the different variations of answers that any AI tool throws at you and asks you to review them. Human review AI responses, and those reviews that we provide to AI responses or the feedbacks, thumbs up, thumbs down, okay, over the time, AI collects that and learns from that. The responses people like are probably the responses I should give. And it's not a bad thing, it's a good thing. There's a whole field of study related to reinforcement learning. Problem arises when AI starts optimizing for approvals instead of accuracy. And that's exactly where the problem begins. The sycophantic behavior of AI. It's when AI starts agreeing with you just to be agreeable. There was an instance early on that if you keep insisting to AI that 2 plus 2 equals to 4, a sycophantic model might eventually say you are right. Sorry for the mistake. Not because it's true. Remember, it's an advanced pattern learning machine that predicts the next most likely icon. So when you repetitively say that 2 plus 2 equals to 5, earlier the model used to say you're right. Not because it's true, but because it's trying to satisfy you. And this kind of behavior is genuinely very dangerous. Think of asking for legal advices, financial advices, or auditing your task to such an AI. So now that you know about this behavior, the next question comes is, how do we prevent this from happening? Step 1 is recognizing it. I know when the AI starts thinking on your lines, you feel like that's right, your research is almost complete. Now you and AI both think on the similar lines. But you need to take a step back over there and look for these 3 signs when you push back on an AI's answer. The AI suddenly changes its stance because you challenged it. It doesn't offer any new evidence or reasoning. It simply agrees because you were more persistent, not because you were correct. Look for these signs, especially when you push back on AI's answer. Now let's compare 2 responses. You say, I think 2 plus 2 equals to 5. A sycophantic AI might reply, you're right, I apologize for the confusion. जो कि obviously incorrect है. But a well-behaved AI would say, actually, 2 plus 2 equals to 4. I want to be accurate, not just agreeable. That's the difference. One AI is trying to make you happy, the other is trying to give you the correct answer. As an engineer, I use AI not only for brainstorming but also for coding. So I'm not at all opposing the use of AI. What I'm trying to do is to make you aware about the sycophantic tendency of your AI. And this happens with me too. But because I have the knowledge of this behavior in the back of my mind, I do make sure to take a step back and cross-question AI, irrespective of how in-depth the answer it replied me with. So don't worry, use as much AI as you require, but be aware of the sycophantic behavior. So today we learned that sycophancy is an AI's tendency to excessively agree with, flatter, or validate a user instead of providing accurate, objective, or constructive responses. Next time you ask AI to review something that actually matters, your resume, your portfolio, your code, remember the castle we talked about. Check the foundation before you trust the walls. In the next episode, we'll answer another important question. If AI can make mistakes, what keeps it under control? Till then, that's Sycophancy for you. Stay curious, stay critical, and subscribe for the next one.